Welcome back, viewers. We did travel with K.S. Ravi Kumar recently, and it was very candid and very honest travel with K.S. Ravi Kumar. It was very interesting and great learnings for the youngsters too. So we decided to continue to have a chat with the celebrities, and I was just thinking who it can be. Can it be gender neutral? So I thought, why not we invite a woman who had really equally performed well, maybe consistently for about 10 to 12 years in the film industry, none other than Laila. Have you ever seen a person who's having enthusiasm and endurance as well as skill? Can all these three come together in a person? This is what I observed in Laila, and that's Laila to all of you. Welcome to our channel, Laila. So, actually, I was telling you some time back, and I used to respect you a lot for your great qualities. I was thinking of three qualities which we normally appreciate in a person. That is enthusiasm, endurance, and the skill. So I was just wondering how it can be forming part of a person, all the three qualities. So I thought we'll start off with a very nice note on you, even though you are very mischievous and you will find something wrong with my wordings itself. So I'm going to be cautious.
Not at all. In fact, I just want to say thank you. I'm very honored that you think so highly of me.
So
Having known you for so many years, it is such a great. It's just such a nice thing to be able to do an interview with you like this.
yeah. So I was just wondering, like, otherwise, it should have been a great to be on one-to-one with the camera on and a nice angle, and all this we could do with K.S. Ravi Kumar in Chennai. So
Yes.
we are fortunate we could do it at his house. But now COVID has pushed us to be a long distance. But I think even Hollywood has started doing like that long distance camera and all that now.
COVID has changed everyone's
Always
lives,
changed everything.
unfortunately, not always for the better.
Yeah, I know.
But yeah. Do an interview from home.
So,
You are makeup person, set director, technical person, hairdresser, everything.
I was just about to tell you that you are now technician to hairdresser to makeup and also the actress. You have to be like that.
everything all rolled into one big person.
All right.
So ultimately, I don't know, by the time you set up everything, it gets late, and then I don't know, pest control came into my house today, and it's just been a crazy morning. From 6 o'clock I've been just rushing.
I know. So let's begin on the word called enthusiasm. So how did you get this quality of your and always gregarious? I would say very positive and very happy person you are. Where did you get this quality? Is it from your birth or your family, or where did you get all this quality?
I would not say from my family. I think I don't think many people are positive.
Uh-huh.
I love to be positive. I love to see the positive side of everyone and everything. And it's hard sometimes. It's very hard. But I think in order to have like internal happiness,
Mhm.
you need to be positive and you need to laugh about things.
Mhm.
Um, I think in the I'd say about last 5-6 years, I've actually found yoga,
Mhm.
or rather, yoga's found me, and yoga puts into perspective a lot of what I already know, and but it sort of reinforces it, how you should be positive and how peace and happiness comes from within.
But
So
don't you think it's you are talking about the 5 years now? I'm seeing probably from you started your career in '96 or something like that. And that's what I'm surprised. How did you get this quality so early in
yeah,
your
so
age?
so as I said, yoga's reinforced what I already know.
Correct.
I am always positive and I'm always very happy, and I think that in order to see positive things, you have to be a positive person. So I've always known this, but when somebody actually puts it into perspective and says, this is how it should be, it's nice. I'm happy that I'm already partway there, and I'm always, in fact, even my Instagram account, if you've seen it, it says spreading happiness is my favorite thing to do. So I love to see people happy around me.
No. Why I asked you this? Sorry to interrupt. I may interrupt. You can stop me also and continue what you want to say. But what I want to know was, were you? I just want to travel back to your school or college days. And how was it? Were you a tomboy? Which I think you are. I don't know whether you are a quiet girl or a tomboy or what were you?
I was a tomboy.
Yeah, I could see it.
Thank you. Initially, I was very shy in school.
That I can't believe anyway.
Thank you so much. There goes your whole good image of me. So I used to be very shy, and then I don't know. Then I became this tomboy, and I used to play pranks on everyone in school. I spent a lot of years playing pranks on a lot of people, including teachers, including everyone. Nobody escaped from my pranks.
Right. So from there, where did you? How did you get into the film field? I mean, what was your career thought? I mean, what I have observed in you is you are a pretty sharp, good intellect, and you can learn subjects very fast. So, how did you choose? Why you did not choose any other career other than the film?
I didn't actually choose films. Films chose me.
Oh, all right. Okay.
And I'm very happy to be able to say this actually, because I know a lot of people who struggle to get into the film industry, people who give everything and try really hard getting in. I never wanted to join the film industry. I started modeling just for fun in the 10th standard. Yeah, so Mehmood uncle saw my photographs and he is like, I just want this girl. And I said, no, I'm sorry, I'm not doing movies. I refuse to do movies, anything but films, because I have a very bad impression of the film industry. And I said, I'm never joining movies ever, no matter what happens. And he said, nothing doing, I'm not letting you go. You have to do my film. If you want, you just do my film, and then you can quit.
Okay.
So I started doing his film with his son. That was my first film, Dushman Duniya Ka.
Okay.
And then I never liked. Till today I am very, very. I do not let my private life get out in the public. I'm sure everyone knows. Even when I got married, I never told anybody. And then, but then I got offers from the South, and I said, "Oh, this is a great, the best of both worlds, where I can work in movies, and nobody knows me in Bombay."
Oh, okay.
So I have my privacy here. I have my private life. Nobody will disturb me, and yet, I can do films. So that's how it all came about.
So it was not your choice. That's what you're saying.
No, not at all. In fact, I wanted to be a veterinary doctor. And I was actually working towards that.
I just saw some tidbits, some Salman Khan and Shah Rukh or something, like a combination movie. You did something like that, right?
That was Dushman Duniya Ka. It was the only film. Yeah, my first film. It was the only film that I think till today that Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan have acted in the same movie together.
Oh, okay. All right. Now, what's your connect with Bollywood, is there at all, or you never moved towards Bollywood at all? You just left
I
South.
never moved towards Bollywood. I did another film called Insan because of Rajkumar Santoshi. Actually, Rajkumar Santoshi sir and I was supposed to do China Gate. I don't know if you remember China Gate. And at that point in time, things didn't work out, and I went to the south. But we always remained in touch. We always remained friends. And then he said, "You have to do one of my films before you quit, and before you get married." So I said, "Okay." So then I did Insan, which was not his direction, but it was his production. And it was with Ajay Devgan and Akshay Kumar.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now we are going to move to South, right? So can we say Vanakkam to all our viewers?
Vanakkam to all the viewers. Isn't it a bit late to go into Vanakkam?
I know, but I thought I'll warm you up, and probably then you'll get into some Tamil here and there. I'm going to ask you questions in Tamil. If you cannot understand, you let me know. Just a few questions could be there.
Sure. You are. So there has to be a mention here about you. Okay. Oh my God! I really thought that you were your son.
Oh, that's really made my day today. So with the Vanakkam.
You have changed your whole image, and you are looking amazing. Touch wood, and I hope you continue with this beautiful journey of turning the clock backwards.
Yeah, looks like. I think friends like you will make it happen. As you say, you always wish good for others. So that's
it's amazing. I love it. I'm very proud of you. I'm really you.
Thank you, ma.
Hats off to you.
So I remember. You remember Manohar, our executive producer.
How can I forget Manohar? Yeah. Oh my God, is he there?
No, he is not alive, right? I mean, he's no more.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, I remember. I remember he was very fond of you, and he
extremely.
Came. Yeah.
I was fond of him.
I know.
We were both very fond of each other.
I know. So he always says that. I will just reel out in Tamil now. He used to say, "Sir, morning na enna solreno," and he keeps telling people variety of lies it could be, because to get a job done. Okay. So he used to say, "Sir, in the night I have to remember what I told Laila, what I told Asin, what I told Sham. So I have to really recall what all I told them to bring him here. So if I cross it over and tell something else, then I'm gone." So
oh God.
So I think
to me he's still alive in my heart. Oh my God, he's such a lovely person. Yeah.
So what I remember.
Yeah,
I know. I remember when he came to you, he said, "Madam, ungalukosra vendittu na Tirupati poittu vandirukken." Do you recall this? You understand?
Yes, of course. I understand Tamil perfectly. Why do you ask me?
Okay. He said, "Na ungalukosra Tirupati poittu vandirukken, madam. Ella nalla irpinga. Talamudi kudutiten," appdi sonna. So then, do you remember your answer? I remember very well. That's why I used to appreciate you for that. I don't think you will remember.
My answer? I don't remember.
You don't remember. So you said.
I remember what Manohar says, but I won't remember what I said back.
So I remember very well. So I used to tell my family, my children, my daughter and son also. She's so sharp. She said, "The hair will grow again. But why can't you give your little..."
Yes. Yes, I told him. I said yes. Oh, yes, I remember this so well. I said, hair will grow back. You have to give God something that will not grow back. Yeah. No, first I started with an arm.
Arm. Okay. Yeah.
And he said, "Oh my God, how can I cut my arm?" I said, "Okay, at least a finger. One finger will..." And he didn't have any words, no
Any words
reply
at all.
to me.
Yeah, so,
And he said, "Oh my God, how do I reply to this? How can you ask me such a thing?" I said, "I'm not asking you. This is your connection to God. If you love God so much and you're going to give something that you can't get back."
so that's I remember. So we. So I was just telling them she was so sharp and that fellow didn't have any answer. But we used to think Manohar was the great fellow who can, tackle anyone. But he met his Waterloo than with you. I think so. That's
Poor Manohar. Oh no.
So when you came to South, so what was your first movie? I mean, whom did you meet and what is that? Any story behind that? Any interesting story behind that first movie?
So actually, the very first producer to contact me was Mr. Swaminathan of Lakshmi Movie Makers.
Oh, I see.
Unfortunately, he just passed away. So he, I don't know if you check Instagram. So I just put a post on Instagram that he was the very first South producer to contact me. And things didn't work out with K.S. Ravikumar sir.
Oh, I read it somewhere. Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, in the film for some reason, and I went on to signing VIP.
Oh, okay.
And VIP didn't work out either. And I went on to doing my first South film was actually a Telugu film called Egire Pavarama.
Telugu vastunda meeke?
Kunju kunju telusu. So I did my first Telugu film, but Swaminathan sir and I always kept in touch. And then he also said, "You must do a film with me." This film with Vikraman sir.
Surya, is it?
What? Surya and myself. Surya, me and Sneha.
Yeah, I remember that movie. Even what's his name? With Surya, the director
Surya.
Ramesh Khanna was also there in that movie. Ramesh. So I mean, because he will be Surya will be after you helping your family if you would like to get married to you. Is that
Yes,
that
yes,
one, correct?
yes. Anyway, fans will have to answer this in the comments.
I remember that definitely, and I saw that recently in Sun TV or something like that. I saw that movie. But Vikraman sir always does a very
yes, yeah.
goody movie, no? That is very nice moral.
Goody movie, yes.
Yeah,
but the point was that it was by Mr. Swaminathan,
I see.
the very first producer who contacted me. Yeah.
Lovely.
So
how did you manage? When I'm just getting back to the enthusiasm or the positive thing. So in your first film, like you were asked to.
My suggestion to Manohar about sacrificing something was also enthusiasm.
I know, but keeping people happy and jokes around, no, that keeps you going. But I was in that movie. I was really surprised to see. You are not showing your bubbliness at all in that movie, right? I mean, you are very quiet girl and moving around and all that.
Yes. Some. I mean, it's called acting, no?
நான் உங்களை விரும்புறேன் சூர்யா. இப்ப என் மனசெல்லாம் நீங்க மட்டும்தான் இருக்கீங்க. நான் உங்களை கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறேன். உங்களால என்ன ஏத்துக்க முடியுமா?
No, acting means I'll come to the acting later. I got lovely 3-4 minutes very well acting. That includes our film also. So I'm just saying, in that, how did you get to act? First of all, that's what I'm saying. You say acting, no?
I think our film was the bubbliest of them all.
I know, I remember that. So we'll get to
Jiva
that.
gave me full. Yeah. Artistic license. Yes, artistic freedom, artistic license to create my character.
Yeah, So what I want to know is when you got into the first film, one is the Telugu one, and the another one is this
Yeah.
Surya movie. So was it coming naturally to you, or you have to really work hard towards it, like to bring out the expressions, understanding?
So the acting bit never troubled me. It was never challenging. It was the especially my first few films, the language was the issue.
Yeah, right.
So having never ever been in touch and never known any of the South languages, to come and then suddenly have to speak a language which I have never heard. Now, if you're listening to a language, it comes more naturally. But I've never had the opportunity to be in touch with Tamil or Telugu.
Okay.
And so, having been there, having come to a place where there's language that I've never heard of. So it's like a completely new thing for me. But I managed.
Okay. So, is there any instance where your directors helped you? You remember in these first two films, who helped you to really? Is it the assistant directors or the co-stars? Or how
Everybody, and it was so nice and so amazing. Everybody helped me. In my first film, Telugu film, they got this girl. I think she was some relative of the producer, to come in and help me with my dialogues. And she was so sweet, and she taught me this song. I had to sing this song in one of my films. In this first film, in one of the scenes, I had to sing a song. And till today, and I learned it in Telugu, and till today I remember that song in Telugu. I don't know it in Tamil, and it released in Hindi also, but I remember it in Telugu. So in fact, we were all sitting around. I was sitting with the same crew later on, and many years later, I'm saying like many years later, about 10 years later, and somehow that song came up. It was Prabhudeva sir's song, Mustafa. You know the song Mustafa?
Correct. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Mustafa.
So,
Don't worry, Mustafa. That's the song. Mustafa.
Don't worry, Mustafa.
Right.
Mustafa, don't worry, Mustafa.
And I sang it in Telugu, and everybody was silenced, and they were looking at me, and they're like, you sang it in Telugu? I said, yes.
So actually, I want to know, like in Telugu, and from there, how do you? I mean, because Swaminathan sir called you, so you came to this Tamil movie, Surya movie, right?
The editor of that film came to me, and he said, "Madam, can you please, you're like laughing, and then suddenly the director will say roll camera, and you're still laughing, and then suddenly you start crying." And then I did my first film was Kalladagar, and which led to us signing Dina.
So you know the Thalai name came because of that movie. I think Thalai. No, he's called Thalai.
Thalai.
So Thalai Ajit. I think you guys created the Thalai Ajit. Okay, go ahead.
Yes, we created Thalai.
Hi friends, we would like you to subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications from YouTube.